guys, doing a shed update. Pretty much I got 3 used for free bikes. Well, it'll rake in some money, you know. Currently working on them right now. So basically I'm gonna sell about 4 bikes. I mean, of course I'm keeping this one as my regular bike. I got my tools laid out. Got everything you need for actually fixing bikes, and here we go. 40-piece tool set for 48 parts. Yeah. Just your average like household type of tools. I could do a side business in handyman if I wanted to. Got a lot of clean chain lube, cleaning supplies. Got the Schwinn. This is a really nice pump because it's a floor pump and it shows actual like what alright, let me try to focus. Like see MTB, hybrid, and road. It tells you what PSI it should be at. Plus it's got like extra connectors. This has 2 like right here for Schrader and Preston valves. Here's like one of my signs I made. I mean, really, this business it costs very little money to start, and it's something to do. Keeps me busy. Up here, I got a light, and then I got a tarp for when it gets really cold. I could just like put it across this whole thing and actually put a heater down here, which is where I put it. Yeah, I'm gonna plug it in there, run it through. Let's see here. Yeah, the sign. Trying to figure out what else to put in this video. I mean, there's plenty of space to work once I lay the tarp out like all the way down and everything. So, yeah. But yeah, this is pretty much what's been going on lately. I got 3 free bikes. Gonna make a little profit off of it. Then this one I just had to actually get new lower bracket bearings. Gonna work on that. That'll be good. Let's see here. Yep. Pretty much it. This is my ride. Pretty much this is all that checks out. Yeah. Alright guys. Just giving you a little update on what's going on here. Alright, peace.